Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best angle grinders. An angle grinder is versatile and useful for DIYers and professionals alike for a wide variety of jobs such as cutting, grinding and carving. They are powerful tools to be used for cutting tile or pipe, metalworking, stonework or removing grout and much more. We recommend a range of angle grinders based on size from 4.5 to 9 inches on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the number one spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The best 4.5 inch angle grinder in our opinion is the BOSCH 4.5 inch angle grinder 1375A. This angle grinder has a powerful 6 amp motor with an operating speed of 11,000 RPM and it weighs only 3.75 pounds, so it's powerful yet compact. It has an ergonomic top handle and a well designed auxiliary 2-position grip side handle that can be angled to a natural position for maximum operator comfort. The BOSCH 1375A 4.5 inch angle grinder has a lock-on side switch for continuous operation and is constructed to be protected from metal debris and aggressive debris. The 5-inch angle grinder that we recommend is the Makita GA5020 5-inch SJS angle grinder. This angle grinder has a 10.5 amp motor that delivers 11,000 RPM, plus it has an electric brake for maximum productivity used with SJS technology mechanical clutch to prevent damage. It weighs just 5.9 pounds with an ergonomic rubberized handle, a trigger switch, 90-degree gear housing and a side handle, all for convenient, comfortable and easy operation. The Makita GA5020 5-inch angle grinder is versatile and powerful and has been engineered for demanding applications. With zigzag varnish to prevent dust from entering the engine, it's also great for automotive technicians, electricians or welders. The top 6-inch angle grinder is the Metabo 600464420 6-inch angle grinder. This 6-inch angle grinder has variable speed electronics and a 13.5 amp motor, a speed of 9,600 RPM and weighing in at 5.7 pounds without the cable. It has a longer service life due to the patented dust guard and the TC full wave electronics enabling fast work at a constant speed under load. The Metabo 6-inch angle grinder has ergonomic Vibra Tech, meaning there is low vibration on the side handle, plus there is an electronic overload protection and automatic torque limiting clutch, which is great for user protection and comfort. The next angle grinder we recommend is the DEWALT DW840 7-inch angle grinder. This is a compact, powerful grinding tool offering 13 amps of power at speeds of up to 8,000 RPM, plus a spindle lock for quick and easy changing of the wheels. It has a heavy-duty rear handle grip for control and comfort, plus an adjustable guard that can be moved to your preferred position to redirect sparks. The DEWALT DW840 angle grinder has a sealed ball and roller bearing to prevent debris causing damage, and there is a 2-position side handle for optimal control. Finally, the best 9-inch angle grinder is the Toolman DB5018 9-inch angle grinder. This powerful grinding tool has a reliable motor design for faster material removal and greater overload protection, plus the spindle lock push button means convenient, comfortable shock prevention operation. It has an adjustable guard that allows for 360-degree rotation for any positions you may require, and the safety switch prevents accidents from occurring. The Toolman DB5018 9-inch angle grinder has a rugged 15 amp motor that delivers 11,500 RPM and it has a lightweight aluminum gear case that's great for withstanding the rigours of the garage or workshop. So that's it, the best 4 to 9 inch angle grinders which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful grinding tips, do drop them in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you in your projects again soon. Good luck.